Hello guys, last video we have discussed on different methods of adding, and there is one more important method. Majorly it is used in Excel, and for that erasing the total. To show you the other method, I'm erasing it. See here, you want to total these all things, right? You want to total the rent, petrol, loan and food. So in the earlier we have did like 2000 equal to 2000 plus 500 plus 1500 plus 800. It's a lengthy method. One more thing, we took the cell address and we did it equal to open a bracket like C5 C plus C7 plus C8, close the bracket, we got. So these two are the lengthy ones. For this, to make it easy, we have a formula bar here. So you can see formulas. In formulas we have auto sum. In AutoSum we have n number of things. We have more functions. Here we have different number of options. So basically we want to do sum of these. So we have to go to AutoSum, add sum. It took the whole thing and just enter it. Okay, go for February month. Keep the cursor. Okay, just target the C9 column, the C9 cell. Press the AutoSum sum. It took by itself. And press enter. Do the same thing to the March month, enter. So now we are going to calculate the row. So like we firstly, when we did the calculation, we did the column wise, like we did the row wise. Now we want to do the column wise at 200, 2000 and 2000. So go here, auto sum, enter. Go here, auto sum, enter. Now now the major thing we have to focus here, auto sum, but it's targeting the upper one, but we have to focus on loans. So click on that and drag to this here to the auto sum. Click on that and drag, enter. Do the auto sum, click on total like in Jan, drag it to the March and enter. This is how you do. This is a major easiest thing, and Excel, most of the people use this method to calculate or to do any type of calculation. They use this.